everybody. I just watched the tapes of the interaction between President Trump, Vance, and President Zelensky in the White House. And I'll tell you, I'm embarrassed to be American today. That was disgraceful. The United States supported Ukraine because Ukraine was fighting for democracies all around the world. President Putin is a murderer, a war criminal. He will not stop. The Baltic states or Poland will be next. America should support Ukraine without needing to extort them for their rare earth minerals and what other stunts that the scam guy in the White House has conjured up for himself, because this is not an administration. This is an organized crime family. You people that voted for Trump, you should be ashamed of yourself. He has not come through with any of the promises he has given you people. Our country is turned into an oligarchy. It's on its way to be an authoritarian country. This is not the democracy that the United States is and always has been. We're the oldest living democracy on earth right now, and we should remain that way. What's happening to our country right now, we're divided, we're being torn apart, and we need to unite as Americans. We are one America. Put the Republican and the Democrat bullshit on the side and be one America. I'm the last of the baby boomers. I was growing up through the Cold War era, where there were threats of nuclear war. This guy is never going to stop. He needs to be stopped. And if there's a ceasefire, all they're going to do is rebuild their military and go right on attacking Ukraine until they can bleed them dry and wipe Ukraine off of the face of the map. America, you better wake up, man, and let your voice be heard, because we're losing it, man. We are losing it.